Hi, my name is Trey. I'm a support engineer here at U1 Solutions. Today I'll be talking about how to fix the error GP parameter, or this error right here, is not a parameter for the procedure, and then this GP node, which is like purchase order integration. So yeah, if you see this error, basically the is not a parameter for this procedure error, when you are running your Smart Connect integration, you can see it. This is what it will look like in the log. There's a pretty simple way to go ahead and try to fix this. This basically happens when there's a mismatch between eConnect and your GP. So the easiest way to try and fix that mismatch is to go into your task manager here. Open that up. You can just right click on the taskbar to open that up for Windows. Go over to your services tab over here. Click on open services. And you can scroll down to the eConnect service here, which will be under the E's. So you see the E1 Smart Connect service. Where's the eConnect? There it is. eConnect for that one. So you can see that it is running right now. So if you go ahead and press stop, it'll do this. It'll make sure it is stopped here. You can also try pressing restart, but I always like to manually do it with stop and start. Then you can press start it up again. And then if you run the integration, once again, you should get rid of that error. And then if you run the integration again, you should get rid of that error, and you shouldn't have any problems after that.